Alright, boys and girls, here's part 2 of my toolbox tour. We'll start with what I got here on the floor. Dremel torch set. These here Mac chisels. I wanted Snap-on, but I got these. 68 bucks, free shipping. Couldn't beat it, man. Snap-on impacts, extensions, 75 bucks. Picks, long picks, wobbles, standard, still in the plastic. Small picks, still in the plastic. And those right there are for they're like spoons for picking gaskets. And then over here, now this is what's coming out of my toolbox here. Alright, now I got stubbies in here, and these Carlisle, see that? Go up 26. Craftsman, Carlisle, not too bad. Craftsman Chinese, I missed them by a few months. And then of course you got dead blows, tester, impact gun, another dead blow. There's some knives again. I got a ton of these. I got these for like $5 a piece, something like that. Here's my metric. And then these right here are on sale, 2 of series for like $2 to $3 a piece. I bought every one they had, you can tell. Knipex. I bought all 3 sets. These right here were like 10 bucks a piece. These, I think they were 50. I got them for like 25. Harbor Freight. They work. I forgot what brand this is. Oh, right there, Crescent. And those. And over there, got the gun. I'm doing the bottom and working my way up to the top, man. These right here, look at this. Look at this. These are Chinese Harbor Freight. And these are Mac tools. And these are made in Taiwan. See that? Made in Taiwan. Ain't that wild? These right here, T-handles. These T-handles are Husky. Sawzall grinder. My wife bought this for me 3 years ago. I still haven't used it because I got so many of them. I got some more around here somewhere, brand new in a box. Whenever stuff's on sale, man, I buy it up whether I need it or not. I look at it like this: down the road I can barter. Alright, start up here. You gotta forgive me, I'm under the weather. These sockets, I bought these at a parts store. Now you gotta remember, guys, all sockets anymore, they're made by the same people. I think Snap-on's the only one that still kind of makes stuff here in the USA. I'm not 100% sure about that, but look at that. Look in the inside. See them teeth right there? It's for rounded bolts. Rounded bolts. Now, I like the 6 points better than the 12 points. Because the 12 points just get on the edge of the bolts. 6 point gets all the way around the bolt. That's why a lot of times when there's a bolt that's on there pretty good, and you torque it with a 12 point, you wind up rounding it off. So, these here 3/4 inch impacts. Most of them are Craftsman, except for a couple. They never came with the 16s, so I bought a Snap-on for it. Never came with the 20s, so Matco. I think all these here, I think all of them are Craftsman. Yep. Them are all Craftsman except for these two. Snap-on. That one's Armstrong, that one's Williams. Craftsman USA. All of them except for right here, these last three. Those are Mac. All these right here Craftsman except for down through here. And them are all Cobalt. Them are all, that one's gear wrench, and that one's gear wrench. Carlisle. Zoom in there a little bit. Let's see. Carlisle. Nice, guys. These are very nice. Napa. Cheap. I think I got each rail for 35 bucks. Cheap. That's on sale though. When the stuff's regular price, it ain't so cheap. But when they got a sale, and they usually have a good sale when they got a sale. These right here, Craftsman USA, SK, Matco, SK. I gave more for these two than I gave for the whole rail. Grip Tight. Them are nice. These, all gear wrench 12 point. All of them. These are all Craftsman USA except for on the ends, gear wrench. And I think, yep, gear wrench. Gear wrench. These back here, all these here Craftsman USA swivels. Except for that one, Snap-on. There's that Carlisle, Carlisle, Carlisle. Alright. Now, wrench store. Chinese. These here are the last. The USA ratchet wrenches. I heard these are made by Gear Wrench. I don't know. But these right here, I gave $3 a piece for these. I got 4 of them, like 9/16. Actually, I got 7 of them. I got 3 in here, and then I got 4 in a metric. S ratcheting wrenches. I got the complete set of that. Guy didn't have the pack, but they were brand new. I got them, I think, for like 60 bucks. I can't remember. These wrenches right here, this set, when I ordered them, I thought I was going to get the Chinese. I wind up getting USA. I was ecstatic for that, man. Ecstatic. Ecstatic. Down here is a metric drawer. Well, not really. I got everything packed up in here. Gear wrench. I got the whole set of them. Matter of fact, I need a Craftsman. I need to find out where they all are. So I think these are just metric ones. Some are just some of the metric ones. I could tell you, YouTube, I got so many tools. They blow your mind. Blow your mind, the tools that I have. Now I'm starting to lose track of them. I'm starting to get nervous. My pliers drawer. Knipex. Easy Red. I'm shooting this off a camera, guys. My cell phone, every time I try to upload a video, it comes out scrambled. So this is going to have to do for now. This is like my 5th video that I've shot of this, trying to get this uploaded to YouTube. And we got to do another trick. So, Carlisle. Look at the ones that are Snap-on. They look identical. Identical. Alright, guys. This is part 2 of my toolbox tour. I showed you part 1. I got part 1 coming. That's part 2. This will probably be part 3. Part 4. Part 5. And I got more to come. Alright guys, y'all have a goody goody, and I'll talk to you.